What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Ditto by Aries. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll pee on your ham sandwich. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's just got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord is going to be E major. It's middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret G string. Next is A major. It's going to be middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, pinky finger 2nd fret B string. And finally, you're going to use a C sharp minor. You're going to bar the entire 4th fret with your index finger starting on the A string. Your ring finger is going to be on the 6th fret of the D string, pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. And then as part of the chord progression, you'll go back to that A as well. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's gonna be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Throughout all the chords, it looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.